everybody, today we're going to be talking about word walls. What is a word wall? A word wall is just what it sounds like, a wall covered in words. These can be centered around a particular theme or topic, for example, NAIDOC Week, synonyms of the word said, or words to do with recycling. The words on a word wall should be large and visible enough for children to read from a bit of a distance. What are the benefits of word walls? Word walls help children develop their literacy skills by exposing them to high-frequency words on a regular basis. This can help them improve their spelling and vocabulary. Children can also use these in literacy and writing activities. How to use a word wall. What kind of activities, you may ask? There's so much you can do with a word wall. Try using the words for spelling activities. For example, working the words into conversation and then asking children to spell the words before checking to see if they were correct. Or learners could try and write a sentence using 3 or more of those words and try to make the sentence make sense. This will also help encourage them to introduce new words to their vocabulary. You could use them as creative writing prompts for short stories or haikus, or even integrate them into a game of charades. If you'd like to put a word wall together, there are plenty of word cards on the Twinkl website that you can download and use. I'll leave some links in the description below to get you started. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.